3 pounds of lean ground beef in our crock pot. I have 1 block of softened cream cheese, 8 ounces, that we're gonna put right in there. 3 eggs. 1 packet of our onion soup mix, all in our crock pot with that ground beef. This is gonna be a super easy and delicious family favorite. Before we start to mix this all together, I am gonna add my Parmesan cheese, and we're gonna need a lot of Parmesan cheese, so I'm really just gonna pile it in there. We need about 1.5 cups of Parmesan cheese, so I'm just eyeballing it, measuring with my heart. I think that looks about right. And once we have our Parmesan in there, it's time to get dirty. And we're gonna mix everything together so that we can get a beautiful meatloaf consistency. Yep, you heard that right. We are making meatloaf in the crock pot today, but we have a fun little twist. As you can see, we use the onion soup mix, the cream cheese, so this is gonna be super flavorful. But let's go ahead and mix this until it's well combined. All right, we got that all mixed together. Now we're kind of just shaping it into our meatloaf shape. And once we get this nice and loafed, it's time to get rid of these gloves. This is looking beautiful, but we're gonna do some add-ons just for extra flavor. I have 1 bag of my frozen onions in here, and we're gonna pour that right over our huge meatloaf. Delicious. And then also we're playing into the French onion theme of this, so we're gonna add 1 can of our French onion soup. Oh my. And just for some herb flavors, we are going to sprinkle some dried thyme on this, and then this is gonna be ready to start cooking. So easy, so delicious, all in your crock pot. Let's really make sure we get our thyme in there. All right, and this is ready to start cooking. I'm gonna put my lid on and we're gonna pop this on high. All right, it's been 4 hours on high. Let's check this out real quick. Oh my goodness, it smells absolutely incredible, but we are not done yet. French onion has to have cheese. We're doing sliced Swiss cheese, and we're gonna put this right on top of our meatloaf, and we're gonna let this melt. You can add as much or as little as you like. I think I'm gonna add about like 5 slices. I think that looks absolutely perfect. And then I'm gonna add some fresh chopped parsley on top for some color and some freshness. And we're just gonna sprinkle that right on there. It's already starting to melt, which is exactly what we want. Beautiful. Go ahead and put our lid back on until it is melted. All right, that cheese is melted, but we're gonna come in with our Bob Evans mashed potatoes, because you cannot have meatloaf without mashed potatoes. And we're gonna put a nice generous scoop right onto our plate. Ooh, you could obviously do homemade mashed potatoes with our beautiful homemade meatloaf, but I already did all the cooking and I'm tired. Ooh, look at that beauty. You cannot tell me that doesn't look absolutely incredible. I'm just gonna cut an end off. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good, you guys. Oh, it's perfectly cooked. Oh, and of course we need some of those juices with the onions and the Campbell's French onion right on our mashed potatoes. I'm so excited for this. Ooey gooey, cheesy, meaty dinner.
Is it good?
You're gonna love this. It is so good. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to eat all of this.